Hey guys, so back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to get Spotify student. So if you guys didn't know, there is a Spotify premium special for student, and this is how you can get it. So first open your Spotify and just go to the premium tab at the bottom. Then in here you can just scroll down until you find this premium student. So this premium student is has special price for students. So rather than compared to other premium package from Spotify, the premium students is more cheap. Is cheaper, and then you can get the same premium feature like the other plan or subscription. And to get that, you can just click on this get premium in the premium student. Then after that, you can choose the packages, and first you need to verify that you are a student, or like you can just click on next. Then in here you need to fill in this form, like your name, your email address, and then you need to add where you go to school and also the number. And after that, you can just click on next, and when Spotify has verified your identity, you can just proceed with the payment, and after that you can get your Spotify student. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.